guys, 828 Fine Adventure here, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a couple of little portable vacuums that you can use for camping trips, or maybe you're going to the beach and you're going to get a bunch of sand in the car and it just irritates you and you want to clean it up, so you want to keep something in your glove box. These little vacuums are very handy. One is a rechargeable unit and the other one uses a battery that can also be shared with drills and other power tools. So let's go check these out. Okay guys, let's take a look at these two vacuums we got here. This one here is a Works Cube Vac. It's very small and runs off a 20 volt battery. Now this battery, as you can see down there, is a battery like you use on a drill. You can see here in this picture, I think you can see it. And I have that drill right here. I also have a weed eater and an edger combination and a hedge trimmer. All runs off the same battery. And you can buy more tools. You can buy little skill saws, jigsaws, all different types of drills. And it's just real convenient having the same battery. 20 volts enough. And I wanted to see, how this vacuum works, because it's very compact. This vacuum here is perfect to keep in an RV or on your boat or something like that. You just have to remember to charge the battery. And then this one is one you leave in a car. This is what I kind of like a wand vacuum. And I've seen people have these in their vans that they do for, van life and whatever. They just have these little wands. And I wanted to see how powerful these are. If it, doesn't cut it, I'll probably return it. But let's just see how it does. So let's unbox these and try them out. This shouldn't be too hard to figure out. It's got some directions. Looks like it's got a little attachment. Let's see here. Oh, battery charger. And here's the vacuum. So let's look at this. It has a battery in it too. It came with the battery. That's great. Now I've got like 6 of those batteries. But you can also buy these without the battery if you already have enough. This thing here, you can see that's my hand. So, that's my hand. There's my fist. You can see it's not that big. It has a filter in there. I don't know if you can see that with the reflection. Has some attachments here. You can see this. Kind of a nice brush attachment. This attachment here is look at this, it's extendable. That's nice. It's actually really good quality. This is really decent plastic here. Alright. This looks like a type of, I don't know, maybe an adapter, like if you want to, add some different type of attachments. Let's see here. This battery is probably not charged. So let me get one of my others. Okay, we got a battery, 20 volt, power share. Put that in there. Let me see here. Oh, there we go. Okay, you can see how that works. Turn it around. That's where the battery goes. Here we go. We got some attachments here. So let's see. Let's put this attachment on there. Okay, so it has 2 speeds. All right. So there's that one. Got the directions with it. A little adapter that comes with it. All right, so let's try this. Let's try this one here. The wand. And then we'll do a demo of actually vacuuming the car. So this one has some directions right here. You can see here. Let me see how this one does. Looks like this one can charge through the USB, like you plug it into an adapter into the wall. Here's a filter. This is an adapter for cleaning it. Let me get all this stuff out here. Yeah, this is a nice little funnel here to get in tight spots. Here's the cord for charging. Has another little adapter here. Little fuzzy thing. This is good. You always need those. All right. You can see here, this is where you plug in the charging cord to charge it. This is really nice. It's actually kind of feels heavy, which kind of tells me it's decent quality. It's not cheap plastic. They didn't make shortcuts on it. You've got buttons here on either side. Press those and you can pull this top off. You can access the filter down in there. So that's kind of neat. Let's see if there's any charge in this. I might have to go inside and charge it. Okay, so you hold it to turn it on. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, this one right here so if you hit the button powered on, and then if you hit it twice on this one, it speeds up really powerfully. And I don't know if that's a word. Let's just say it speeds up sufficiently to vacuum. Okay, so let's go try these out. You can see there's a whole bunch of grime down there, little things. You can see I'm going to try to vacuum up. Let's set this in the seat. We'll see how long this little cord goes out. The attachments are right here. I've got one already on there, and then I've got this one right here, which is the little brushy thing. I think that'll work really good. So let's give that a shot. Wow, I'm pleasantly surprised. This thing does really well. I'm going to get the little brush out. Now, I'm not going to sit here and bore you vacuuming the whole car, but it did pretty good. It got a lot of that grime up. Well, there you go. This Works vacuum actually does pretty good. And you can see in the window down there, it's got some grime in it. You check that out. Pretty cool. Okay, guys. Got a couple of attachments here, as you can see. Let's go ahead and try this out. Press the button. And this one is the There you go. If you do press it twice, it does speed up. So there you go. So let's do it. Cut it on. Again. There you go, like a jet engine. So this one, just to give you size on it, the wand type vacuum cleaner. Will it fit in my glove box? Yes. Fits right in there. Perfect. The Works will not, but the Works is still small enough you could store it in your van or your RV, or even in a, take it camping with you to clean up all those leaves and pine needles that get in your tent. That's pretty cool. So now let me show you how to clean these. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this top part off here. So I have, see how those come off? You press both buttons on the side and you pull this plastic piece off right here. When you have this plastic piece off, you can see the filter through there. You just pull this out. There's a little thing that'll catch your finger right here, and when you catch that, you just pull it straight out. Then you just dump it out. You got a good bit of stuff too. Sure, you heard that. Okay, and then your filter has all kinds of hair, you know, probably from your pet hair, whatever you have in the house. That got a lot of stuff. Now let me show you what I do. You can either vacuum these out to clean them. Sometimes just a little brush will help. You can get all that dust out of there. This is just a plastic shoe brush that I use to clean my shoes. Look at that. Works great. I keep a plastic shoe brush in my garage and in my truck and also in my other car, so if you have muddy feet, before you get in the car, you can just clean them up. Now this right here, it only goes in one way because it's curved on one side. It goes in, it has a gasket. It feels like a rubber gasket. It just fits right down in there. And you get the vacuum. It goes on, and there you go. Okay, so let's clean out this. So what you do is you press this button on top, like that. It drops the hatch. Then what you do is this filter here, you just turn it to the left, and it comes right out. Just like that. And then you put it back in, and you turn it to the right, and it locks right in. Then you close this hatch, and you're all set. And you're empty. It's real easy, real fast. This is great. This is very substantial as well. Hard plastic. It's heavy, especially with the battery on the back. You can tell it's just really good quality. So I wanted to show you how to clean out both of those, because, you know, I can't just show you them sucking up dirt without telling you how to get rid of it. So there you go. Okay, as you can see, this wand vacuum here, it doesn't have any place to store the attachments. It does come with 2 attachments, a charging cord and an extra filter, which is nice to have an extra filter because they get mucked up. But, you know, it doesn't have the extra storage like this one has. Now this one, you know, you've got 2 attachments in here. And this is your button for cleaning it out. This is your power button. Both of the buttons on both vacuums, you hit twice and it speeds up to like a higher speed. Of course, that'll wear out the battery quicker. This one, the Works, of course, has this adapter. I have a feeling this adapter is for using maybe some other regular vacuum attachments. I don't have anything to try it on right now. Comes with a substantial charger. This one came with a battery, but like with a lot of Works stuff that you buy, you can get it without the battery. If you already have a bunch of batteries from buying their products, you don't have to get their battery, and it's much cheaper. So, you know, because they share. It's called the Power Share. You can see right there. So there's a couple of books of directions for the charger, etc. So I'm real happy with these. Both of them work great. I'm going to leave one in the car and leave one with all my other gear and just swap them out as I need to. Again, this Works is much more powerful. It's got a stronger battery and a more powerful one than this, but this one still did a good job. It just, you can tell it would just take a little longer, and I'm not sure how long that charge will hold. So anyhow, so that's my review on these vacuums. I hope you got a lot out of it. I hope it was detailed enough. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video, and I will try to answer it to the best I can. Well guys, I hope you liked the video on these 2 little portable vacuums. They work great. I can keep one in my glove box if I know I'm gonna be going to the beach or something like that, or maybe camping, you know, to clean up all those pine needles and just garbage that gets tracked into a tent. Anyways, they just, you know, they're just handy to have, you know, instead of getting out the shop vac and getting out an extension cord to go out to your car and detail it and clean it up. That can be a real pain. And, you know, you know, everybody has busy schedules and there's just not much time to do anything these days. So just having this little portable vacuum you can run out in your car, vacuum out the mats or whatever, and put it away and get going to your next stop or whatever. They just work great for that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. Do your research, check them out. I'll put some links under the video in the description. And if you would, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. And I will see you next time. See ya.